Hi, welcome to the Introduction to Custom Compiler. This is a quick guide for beginners to learn up Custom Compiler. So, Custom Compiler runs on Linux. Here we are using Red Hat 6 and Custom Compiler version 2017. First of all, we need to choose a directory to work under or the directory that you invoke Custom Compiler. Here, we choose the folder work. To open it up, right-click, open in Terminal. Let's take a look what is inside this directory. You can type in ls. So you can see there's a folder named SAED_PDK 90 nanometer. It is actually a process design kit that contains 90 nanometer process technology for educational purposes. The other file here is actually a library definition file. You can include libraries into Custom Compiler by defining them here. So let's take a look what is inside this library definition file. The first line basically includes all the basic components that you need for circuit design. The second line defines the PDK into Custom Compiler. You can learn about how to edit this library definition file in future video release. So let's invoke Custom Compiler. You just have to type in Custom Compiler and you can include an ampersand. This will allow you to continue to use the terminal. So once the Custom Compiler starts up, you will see the Home tab. At Home tab, you will see all the applications that you can launch. First, we go to Library Manager. Library Manager displays information about the designs and let you manage library, cells, and views, in short, LCV, for the design processes. Next, we go to Simulation and Analysis Environment. In short, it is SAE. Here, it provides a fully featured simulation environment. In SAE, simulators can be used to verify analog and mixed signal designs. You can set up simulator control statements such as analysis, models, and options, and run simulation to analyze the result. Next, we go to Search and Replace. Here, you can use it to locate components in your designs. After locating the components, you can use this tool to replace their associated attribute values, properties, and parameters. Next, Job Monitors. You can track all your running job processes here. Then Console. You can launch Console by clicking this icon or this icon below. You can view event log, information, error, warning, and information messages from it. You can also enter Custom Compiler ticker commands, which is a bit different from actual ticker commands. Lastly, at home page, you have Help. You can use Help to search topics, browse to topics, print topics in collection, and send commands to Synopsys and more. Lastly, at Home tab, you can see this icon, New Cell View. It allows you to create new cell view. You just have to select Library, the cell name, and view name. So that's all for the introduction to Custom Compiler, or at least the Home tab.